Alright, April 1st, 2022. Here's where we are with the Healy. Completely finished stripping all of the guts out of it. So the interior is empty. Drivetrain's out, brake lines, everything. It's basically stripped down to the bare chassis. Spent some time in the last few days taking the rattle can black paint job off of the engine bay and all of the massive amount of undercoating, which I burnt off. So now we're down to bare metal. Done a little bit of prep on the exposed metal. And we've got down here under the wheel wells, everything looks good. So I just have to seam seal those and prime them and get some kind of a coating on. Haven't really done anything in the back. The most significant thing was with the rust section up here on the scuttle drain. I knew it was rusty on the top here, but as you can see now, we can see right through to the bottom, or the floor, or the ground. So there's a little bit more repair there than I anticipated, but still not too bad, just a couple of small patches. And the rest of it is fine. I was able to confirm by taking some of the primer off that whoever had started this had taken all the paint down to the bare metal underneath, which was good. And then a little repair there that I've got to do. Other than that, progress being made. Check back in another week or so.